Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to bypass Google Family Link, Google Parental Controls protection on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus device. So firstly, open Settings, then scroll down and choose Google here. Then tap Manage your Google account and wait a while, tap Get Started and click Data and Privacy. Then scroll down, choose Delete your Google account and enter your password. Now we will delete our Google account, but not afraid, we can recover it during 14 days. So tap Next, scroll down, click I understand, scroll down again, choose yes, and click Delete account. So now open your menu and you can see that all my blocked applications was successfully unlocked, but we have a deleted account. So firstly, delete parental controls from your device. Tap and hold on it, choose uninstall and OK. So then open Play Store and choose Sign In. Wait a while, enter your email, go Next. Then you will see this message that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore the account. So click Next and enter your password. Click Next and you will see Google services information. That means that our account was successfully recovered. So click Accept, wait a while and cool, our account was successfully recovered. We can use our phone, our device, all applications was unlocked and we have no Family Link on our device. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye. See you.